In this short course, we'll explore powerful strategies that can help you achieve financial freedom by building streams of income that work for you, even when you're not actively working. Imagine waking up to see new sales on an ebook you wrote months ago, or earning commissions from products others are purchasing through your recommendations. That's the beauty of passive income. It's about setting up systems that generate consistent revenue over time with minimal ongoing effort. In this course, we'll cover the top passive income opportunities available today, including digital products, affiliate marketing, and even membership sites. But it doesn't stop there. I'll share some insider secrets on scaling these income streams, and we'll dive into effective marketing strategies that can help you attract the right audience, even on a limited budget. By the end of this course, you'll have a clear roadmap to start, grow, and promote your passive income streams. So let's get started and move one step closer to financial freedom. All right, let's dive into some of the best ways to start making passive income. These income streams don't require tons of money up front, and once they're set up, they can keep earning you money over time. I'm going to cover 5 great options, plus a few secrets and tips for making each one work for you. First up is selling ebooks and other digital products like guides or templates. Once you create something useful, you can sell it over and over again without any extra work. For example, if you know a lot about fitness or budgeting, you can write a simple guide and sell it online. One way to make more money is by offering bundles or add-ons. For example, if you have an ebook, you could add a bonus checklist or workbook to make the package even more valuable. Next is affiliate marketing. This is when you recommend products from other companies, and if people buy them through your link, you get a small commission. For example, if you're into tech, you could share links to your favorite gadgets. If people buy through your link, you earn a percentage of the sale. Pick products that match what your audience is already interested in. When people trust your recommendations, they're more likely to buy, which means you make more money. Print on demand is great if you want to sell custom products like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases, but don't want to handle any inventory. You create designs, and when someone buys, the company prints and ships it for you. This way, you don't have to worry about storing or shipping products. To get more eyes on your products, use trending keywords in your titles and descriptions. For example, if you're making dog-themed t-shirts, include words like funny dog shirt or cute dog lover gift. If you have a lot of knowledge or special skills, you could create a membership site. This is where people pay you each month for exclusive content, like articles, tutorials, or even a private chat group. Think of it as a club where only paying members get access. Try offering different membership levels, like basic and premium, so people can choose what works best for them. Having different levels helps attract more people and gives your biggest fans the chance to get extra perks. Lastly, let's talk about YouTube and other content creation. By making helpful or entertaining videos, you can earn money through ad revenue or sponsorships. Over time, as more people watch your videos, you can build a steady income stream from ads or brands who want to sponsor you. To keep viewers coming back, try creating a series of related videos, like how to start a garden or 10-minute workout tips. When people get interested in one video, they'll want to watch more, which boosts your views and income. So those are 5 powerful ways to earn passive income: selling digital products, affiliate marketing, print on demand, membership sites, and content creation. Each one lets you create something valuable and earn money with less ongoing work. In the next section, we'll go over some great tips to help these income streams grow even faster and become even more profitable. Let's keep moving forward. Now that you know some of the best ways to make passive income, let's talk about how to grow these income streams faster and make them even more profitable. I'll share 5 techniques that can help you get the most out of each one. 1. Automating processes. First, automation. Automation means using tools or software to handle tasks automatically, so you don't have to do them yourself every day. For example, you can set up tools to schedule your social media posts, emails, or even manage inventory for a print-on-demand store. Automating can save hours of work and help you keep your business running smoothly without constant effort. One great trick is using chatbots or AI tools to answer common questions from customers. This way, you don't have to spend your own time answering the same questions over and over. 2. Repurposing content. Next up is repurposing content. Repurposing means taking one piece of content, like a blog post or video, and using it in other ways. For example, if you write a blog post, you can take parts of it and turn them into social media posts, an email newsletter, or even a video. This lets you reach more people without creating brand new content every time. You're saving time and keeping your message consistent. The more places people see your content, the more likely they are to become customers. 3. Scaling with digital advertising. Another powerful tool is digital advertising. Ads can help you reach way more people, especially if you're just starting out and don't have a big audience yet. You can use platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Google to get your products in front of the right people. Start small with a budget that works for you and test different ads to see what works best. A good trick is to use retargeting ads, which show ads to people who visited your site but didn't buy anything. This gives you a second chance to make a sale. 4. Leveraging data analytics. Data analytics sounds complicated, but it's really just tracking how well things are working. You can use free tools like Google Analytics to see what's popular with your audience and what's not. This helps you make better decisions about what to focus on. For example, if you see that a certain product or video is getting a lot of views, that's a sign it's something your audience cares about. Double down on what's working and spend less time on things that aren't. Number 5. Email marketing and lead funnels. Finally, let's talk about email marketing and lead funnels. A lead funnel is a way to guide people from first hearing about you to becoming paying customers. One great way to do this is with email marketing. You can offer something free, like a mini guide or checklist, to get people to sign up for your email list. Then over time, send them helpful tips, updates, and eventually offers for your paid products. With a good funnel, you're building trust. So by the time you offer something for sale, people are ready to buy. So those are 5 powerful growth techniques: automating processes, repurposing content, using digital ads, leveraging analytics, and email marketing with lead funnels. Each one can make a big difference in how much money you earn and how fast your passive income grows. In the next section, we'll get into some marketing strategies to help you reach even more people and boost your profits. Let's keep going. All right, now let's talk about marketing strategies that will help you succeed in the long run. These strategies will help you reach more people, build a strong brand, and keep your audience interested in what you're offering. 1. Building a strong brand. First, you need a strong brand. Your brand is the impression people have of your business. It's how people see and remember you. To build a brand that people trust, make sure your message, colors, and style are consistent. Share your story and let people know why you do what you do. When people feel connected to your story, they're more likely to trust you and want to support your business. 2. Using social media effectively. Social media is a powerful way to connect with people who might be interested in what you offer. Find the social media platforms where your target audience spends their time. For example, Instagram and TikTok are great for visual content, while LinkedIn works well for professional topics. Post regularly and engage with your followers by answering their questions or commenting back. When you interact with your audience, it builds a stronger connection and encourages them to keep coming back. 3. SEO and organic traffic. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It's a way to help your content show up in search results on Google or YouTube. If you're creating content like blog posts or videos, using the right keywords can make it easier for people to find you. For example, if you're making a video on workout tips, using keywords like beginner workout tips or easy exercises can help it rank higher in searches. The best part, once your content ranks well, it can bring you free traffic for a long time without extra work. 4. Leveraging influencer marketing. Influencer marketing is when you partner with influencers, people who have large followings on social media. If they like and share your product, it can lead to lots of new people discovering your business. Influencers can create posts or videos about your product and share it with their followers. You don't always have to work with big influencers. Smaller ones, called micro-influencers, can actually have more active and loyal audiences, and they're often more affordable to work with. Number 5, building a community. Creating a community around your brand can help you build long-lasting relationships with your customers. This can be as simple as starting a Facebook group or a Discord server where people interested in your niche can connect with you and each other. In these spaces, you can share tips, answer questions, and offer exclusive deals to keep people engaged. When people feel like they're part of a community, they're more likely to support your business and even tell others about it. Number 6, strategic partnerships. Another powerful strategy is forming partnerships with other creators or brands in your niche. Find people or brands that aren't direct competitors but share a similar audience. For example, if you sell fitness products, you could team up with a nutrition expert. You could cross-promote each other's products or even create a package deal together. These partnerships can give you access to new audiences and add extra value to what you're offering. So, to market for long-term success, focus on building a strong brand, using social media, optimizing for SEO, partnering with influencers, creating a community, and teaming up with other brands. When you put these strategies into action, they can help you reach more people and keep them interested in your business over time. In the final part of this course, I'll give you a quick summary and some final tips for getting started with your passive income journey. Let's wrap this up. Now, let's quickly recap what we covered. First, we went over the top passive income streams, like digital products, affiliate marketing, and membership sites that let you earn money with less ongoing effort. Then we explored growth techniques to maximize those streams, from automation to email funnels. Finally, we dove into marketing strategies, covering everything from building a strong brand to leveraging social media and SEO. As you start your passive income journey, remember this: building sustainable income takes time and consistent effort up front, but the payoff is worth it. Start small, focus on what resonates with you, and keep learning along the way. Now, take what you've learned and start implementing. Each small step you take brings you closer to financial freedom. Thanks for joining me. Make sure to like and subscribe to my page for more short courses like this.